Hey everyone, welcome back to CyberChunk, where we make your Linux experience not just functional but also stunningly beautiful. Have you ever wished your login screen could be as dynamic and lively as the rest of your desktop? Well, you're in luck. Today I'm going to show you how to transform your SSDM login manager with an eye-catching wallpaper. Imagine logging into your system and being greeted by moving, vibrant background sounds. Awesome, right? But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any future Linux customization tips. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's get started with navigating to the SSTM themes location folder, which is under the root directory. This is where all the themes are stored and where we'll be adding our custom video wallpaper. Follow my instructions and navigate to the themes folder. Here you can see a bunch of folders which are representing various SSDM themes. You can download various themes online and customize them according to your preference. Personally, I really like Apple Sonoma and Sugar Candy themes. They're visually stunning and nice to touch to the login screen. To make changes in the root folder, we need to sudo authentication. This is important because the root directory is protected and require administrative permissions to modify. Let me open the terminal now and navigate through SSTM folder. Alright, now that we are in the themes folder, it is crucial to ensure we don't override any exiting themes. For this process, we need to create a new folder or a custom theme to keep things safe and avoid overwriting current configurations. This way, we can easily retrieve back if anything goes wrong. Let's create and navigate to the custom folder. Here you will notice a bunch of different files, including the background images and QML files, which defines the layout and design of the theme. Now, we need to copy the video file we want to use as a wallpaper in the themes. Use the following command to copy the video. Make sure to replace the path with your actual path to your video file. This command will copy your video into the custom theme folder where we can reference it in the theme's configurations. Great job everyone, you made it halfway through the process. Now we need to make some changes to the theme configurations to use the video as a wallpaper. We'll be editing the main.qml file which controls the layout and design the login screen. First, let's use sddm-greeter test method to test theme before applying changes. This is a useful feature that allows to preview our changes without affecting the actual login screen. Now we need to add few lines of the code to the main.qml file. Firstly, copy the text from the file given in the description and add it to the import section. This will import the necessary modules to support the video playback. Next, search for the image tag in the main.qml file. This tag currently defines a static background. We'll replace this with the code to display our video interest. Replace the image tag with the following code, which will reference the video file copied earlier. Make sure the path in the source attribute matches the location where you copied your video file. This code tells the theme to play a video file in the infinite loop and fill entire the background. Now that we made the necessary changes, you can test the sddm-greeter again to see how it looks with the new video wallpaper. If everything looks good and we can apply the changes permanently, ta-da! And there you have it. Your SSDM login manager has a beautiful video wallpaper. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more Linux tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.